here at a Phillips 66 in Lincoln, Nebraska. And they have a car wash that's branded Sopatopia. And we're gonna go through it. This one used to be an XS1 with a pictogram with a with an original Thrust Pro dryer, but it was replaced with a Softgloss MAXX 5 with used 2013 slimlines. Here's the AMTT PDQ access conversion. There's no, there's no speaker. It's interesting. Here's your wash options. Pause if you'd like to read. It's the undercarriage wash. Here's the machine itself. I like the color scheme. Here's where the old treadle blades used to be. It's a little bit weathered already. I think this thing's been here for about a year now. Seems like it's been scraping against the procs. That's not good. There's a serial plate. I don't know if you can make that out. Hopefully you could. Front arms. And here's the used slimlines. As you can see, here's where the old Thrust Pro used to be. Older HMI. This is not the, what's the name for it? I'm forgetting. Never mind. This is the older version. And, yeah. Doesn't seem like the interlock works. Maybe it does. I don't know. Here's the dryers. I think they're on their lowest setting because these are very, very low to the ground. Doesn't look it on camera, but this is about eye level for me. Got new airlift doors. I love the look of this bay. And here's the dryers. So now let's go through it. That's a very efficient use of water. Forgot to show, but there's a lot of bugs on our front. One of them's right on the front. I don't know how well you can see that, like right on the windshield. Big yellow splotch. I hit my head against this. Tapped it. I'm gonna be here from now on because it's kind of unpredictable as to when the dryers will turn on. All right then, for $13, seems like a good wash. Let's take a look at the car. Front seat's clean. Missed something right there. Windshield's great. Mirrors look fine. Yeah. All right. That is Soaptopia in Lincoln, Nebraska.